Staging of any cancer can be challenging, but in this video, I have tried my best to make it simple, easy to understand, and easy to remember. So make sure you watch the video till the end. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and let me know in the comments which topic you would like me to cover next. The most commonly used system for staging vulval cancer is Vigo staging system. Staging is based on the size of primary tumor, spread to adjacent structures, lymph node involvement, and distant metastasis. Here you can see the structure of the vulva. Stage 1A is a tumor size less than 2 centimeter and depth of invasion less than 1 mm. Stromal invasion. And stage 1B, tumor size is stage 1B. It is also confined to vulva and tumor size is more than 2 centimeter and depth of invasion more than 1 mm. Stage 2 of vulval cancer. It involves, along with vulva, lower one third of urethra, lower one third of vagina, and lower one third of the anus. It involves lower one third of urethra, vagina, and anus. It is called stage 2 of carcinoma vulva. It will involve lower one third area. It will not involve upper one third, but no lymph node involvement in stage 2. No lymph node will be involved in stage 2. Carcinoma involving vulva and lower one third of urethra, vagina, anus, and no lymph node involvement, but tumor may be of any size. It is called stage 2. Stage 3 vulval cancer. Here you can see a vulva and this is tumor on vulva and this extends on inguinofemoral lymph nodes. These are inguinofemoral lymph nodes, green color. Tumor extending from vulva to inguinofemoral lymph node. Then stage 3. But size of tumor, any tumor size. Metastasis to inguinofemoral lymph nodes with or without extension to adjacent lower perineal structure. Tumor from vulva extending to inguinofemoral node, then this will be the stage 3. And tumor of any size with or without involvement of adjacent structure. It is called stage 3 tumor of the vulva. Stage 3 regional lymph node metastasis. When vulval cancer involve upper part of vagina, bladder mucosa, rectal mucosa, pelvic bone and lymph node, and then lymph node become fixed and ulcerative. It is called stage 4A. And stage 4B, distant metastasis in lungs, liver, brain, bone, pelvic lymph nodes. All these structures involved, then this becomes stage 4B, distant metastasis, advanced disease.